Hello guys,
Welcome to the Touch Brush series of design with Adobe XD. I am Devansh here and I am going to teach you how to install Adobe XD or Dolby XD into your computer. First of all, you have to go to the link below in description. You have to open link and you will get the interface like this. Now Adobe XD is totally free for world. So you have to click on start for free. This will take some time to load and automatic file will be downloaded for your computer. You have to just click on it and give permission. XD installer will automatically start. Here you have to sign in with your Adobe ID or you can sign with your Google, Facebook or Apple account. After signing in, downloading process will be started. 500 MB around software is, so make sure you have sufficient data available. After going to start menu, you have to click on Adobe XD. Now you will get interface like this. There may be a get started option, tutorial options. I have already installed, so I am getting this now. Here, this is the first interface of a starting XD. Here you can choose file from your computer already if you have made. Here you can check what's the new features in your versions. Here you can learn and support and you can provide feedback. And here you can see if you have already used XD or you have XD files that will be shown next time here. From here we have to choose artboard, and from here you can connect with the online community with Adobe and you can design with them. Here you have to choose any artboard. I am going to choose web. It's worldwide compatible. That's all. You have installed the XD. If you get like this, you are completely installed the Dolby XD. If you can't install XD, you have to go into troubleshooting link given in description. After opening link, you will get interface like this. This is not official page of XD and I am not promoting this page. Now you can see there are 60 available versions of XD. You have to choose XD version according to your PC. You can go for lower versions and you also get the higher versions. After clicking on your version, you will get interface like this and you have to download it from here. And if you don't aware about how to install this software, you can click here and you will get the guide video how to install. And this is not official, so I am not promoting this content. This is a pirate software which gives you XD without cloud services. If you have installed the free version, you will get the cloud services also that makes slow your computer, and if you don't want it, you can use this. Okay. If you have any question about installing or if you got any problem in installation problem, you can give us comment in below. We will try to answer as soon as possible.